RNA, the blueprint of life. Hello friends, welcome to ASHUS Life Sciences. Strand of RNA twisting and turning against a backdrop of a cellular environment. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is a vital molecule found in all living cells. It plays a crucial role in the process of protein synthesis, which is essential for life. Strand of RNA. RNA is made up of 4 nucleotides: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. These nucleotides are arranged in a specific sequence that determines the information stored in the RNA molecule. RNA being transcribed from DNA. RNA is transcribed from DNA, which is the genetic material that carries the instructions for the development and function of all living organisms. Ribosome. Once RNA is transcribed, it travels to the ribosome, which is the site of protein synthesis. The ribosome reading the RNA sequence. The ribosome reads the sequence of the RNA molecule and translates it into a sequence of amino acids that make up a protein. RNA protein being synthesized. Proteins are essential for many biological processes, such as cell growth and repair, and they are the building blocks of tissues and organs. DNA molecule. RNA plays a vital role in gene expression and regulation, allowing cells to respond to changes in their environment and to differentiate into different types of cells. RNA. RNA is a versatile molecule that has many different functions in the cell, including catalyzing chemical reactions and regulating gene expression. Scientists are studying RNA and its role in disease, such as cancer, and are developing new therapies that target RNA molecules. Strand of RNA twisting and turning against a backdrop of a cellular environment. RNA is a fascinating molecule that plays a vital role in the process of life. By studying RNA, we can better understand the fundamental mechanisms that govern life and develop new therapies to treat disease.